Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is a quick look at what's happening with the new build today. So there's a few little things. Dev channel insiders are getting, of course, their Wednesday build as usual, which is 22.523. And what it actually does is bring a little more settings into from the control panel actually to the settings app, and we're going to take a look at that, and we'll actually have a lot of time to take a look at many of the features within the next few weeks. And one of the reasons for that is this is the last build for 2021, and this is the time to look back, and that's what we're going to do a little bit the next couple of weeks for insiders and for Windows in general, because a lot of things happened this year, and that is of course something that is definitely a thing to look back. As you know, we had the surprise of Windows 11, and we have so many things happened that and of course a lot of things that people ranted about. So if you're in the dev channel, check it out. Last build is now available in Windows Updates. We'll be looking at the different features, the different things, of course, over the next few weeks. So the next build will be sometime in the first week of January, as the employees and the people at Microsoft will come back from holiday season. So this is really the time to check it out. We'll be looking, of course, and reviewing this build later today or tomorrow, and we'll be looking at what has moved, of course. For those that were asking, the ARM64 PCs are being offered this build because this is where that last build was not available for ARM PCs. Also, there is a image available that you can download. So the Windows image for creating a USB thumb drive or a media creation tool or media tool to do clean install is of course available with this build 22.523. I'll share the link where you can download the latest build. If you have problems with the builds install, if you're stuck in an older build, then maybe the image is going to help you actually move on to something more recent. So check it out, and of course we're going to talk more about this and talk more about the builds in the next few weeks, even though nothing new will be happening much until early next year. You simply have to go to the Windows Updates, check for updates, and you should see Windows 11 Insider Preview 22.523.1000 available for download.